Here I've got REALME X50 5G, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So first of all, you have to open list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sound and vibration, and here you will find ringtone. So just mark it, tap on allow, and here you've got all the options, so let me show you them, starting with It's REALME. And then you can also use some from the other tones if you want to. And finally pick the sound that you like the most, so I will just, for example, Dreams. Then you can go back and the ringtone has been changed. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.